Alright, so take off all these screws in the corners. Now you gotta take this one off right now, or else you can't move this. This is in the way, and there's no way you'll be able to get your hand through there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, still not done with that. Alright, so now we gotta take this off. See, this is the filter right here. If you ever want to change the filter on this particular car, you have to take the whole filter out, pretty much. See now, see right here, we're able to get in. All you gotta do is untwist this right here, and the bulb come out. But things that I don't want to take it out, it's a hassle right now. I already got a bulb in there, but you just gotta twist this way, and then come out. And just put in your HID lights, whatever lights you want to put on. And I'm about to put the lights on right now. Yeah, just put it back. See, but it don't take that long to change the whole headlight. At first I thought it was gonna take a while, but now it's very simple. So while he's putting that on, I'm about to put my headlight on. I'm about to show you how it really looks. Alright, so this is how it really looks. Damn. Perfect. So that's how you install 2017 Chevrolet Malibu headlight. Simple. Subscribe if you want to know more about this vehicle. I'll show you more.